how to disable the camera shutter click sound on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can disable the camera shutter sound on the Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, you have to open up your camera in your Android device. So open up the camera. Once you have opened the camera in your device, now if you navigate to top right corner, there you will find the settings option. Tap on settings. So under the camera setting, if you navigate to the third option under general, there is a shutter sound. So in my case, it is turned on. If you want to disable the shutter sound, you have to toggle off the shutter sound. So by doing so, when you take a photo using your smartphone or camera, you will not have the sound or the clicking noise that plays in your camera. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.